Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make these unicorn ornaments. They are amazing as Christmas tree decorations or as present for your loved ones. So please stay with me. I used this rainbow fabric, but if you like, you can make them from any other kind of fabrics. It can be Christmas fabric or just like plain fabric. You will just basically use my pattern, which I'm going to save in my pattern videos, and cut shape of your unicorn in the way how I am doing in the video. You can also pin everything as I did. It's not necessary, but it will help you to keep fabric on the place. So once when it is done, you just place fabric by front to each other, and then you have two options. You can just save everything by sewing machine, but I'm just warning you, it's lots of rounded edges, so it's going to be difficult. Or you can just sew everything as I did by needle, by using very simple stitch and basically doing these small kind of stitches all around unicorn edges. So this is this way how you are doing all unicorn. Only what you will leave empty is top part, maybe like 1.5 centimeter. Then you will turn your work over. It can be really difficult, so it will take a little bit patience. I recommend really once when you turn most of unicorn, just rounded edges as I did. As if you don't do it face of unicorn or feet in this part properly, you will not be able to do it later. So this is how it looks like when it is done. Then you basically take interstocking and you start to fill unicorn. I really recommend to start with face. You can also start with feet, but it's going to be more difficult to finish face later. So start with face and head and do it in small pieces, as it's very difficult to push everything through neck. Make sure everything is on the place before you continue. Then you do feet. It's basically also you just need to use pencil, or I even use scissors because it was kind of difficult. Once when you finish all body, you just sew top of your unicorn. Please make sure that fabric is folded inside and there are like no small pieces coming out, and also do just like very simple small stitches on the top. It doesn't have to look perfect at this stage, because what we will do, we will use hot glue and golden chain, so it's going to be covered, but just please make sure there is nothing coming out of your unicorn. Also, I didn't do any knots at this point. As I said, like we are starting to apply hot glue, so everything is going to stay on place. I'm starting applying this golden chain on top of unicorn, and then slowly moving through face. sometimes it can be difficult, it can be really messy, so don't worry if it doesn't go very well for first time. I also what I want to say is do not apply this golden chain exactly in the middle of your stitches, as we are going to do 2 rows. I use my fingers to clean if there is any extra glue or something doesn't look right. As you could see just now, I just pushed some parts of fabric back like between stitches as it was coming out. So if you see something like that, just use needle and push everything back. So this is how it looks like when you finish first row. Now starting second row, you basically do exactly same as you did for first one until you come on top of head. Then you will add your bead and do this hanging chain on the top. I couldn't get a bead through that golden chain, so I just use needle. Maybe you will be like able to do it, so don't have to use needle, but if you need, just use needle, it's fine. And finish your second row of golden chain. Okay, so now when you are coming to the part where it's coming all together, just try to mask everything. It's never going to be like 100% perfect at this part, but we are going to put a tail over there, so no worries about that. I also use hot glue gun, just clean all edges, and if I see like some glue is coming out, I just like rubbing around, but I'm not adding any extra glue at this point. For making torn, you just glue 2 pieces of fabric together, and you will use golden chain to apply on the edges. And by melting your glue, you will be able to stick sparkles on your torn. Then basically what you do, you will just melt it glue which is already on top of head of your unicorn, and just place that golden chain in that glue. If you see there is not enough glue, of course you can use little bit glue, and also do it from bottom. Just try to blend everything together. Cut if there are any extra pieces. If you see there is still like not enough sparkles on any part, you can just add them with little bit glue. For tail, you will just rub like maybe 6 times around your fingers, your golden chain, and then you will use a needle and sew it that on your unicorn. It doesn't look fancy at that point, but what you will do, you will add a little bit glue on that part and just use 1 piece of your golden chain and just rubbing around the rest of golden chains. By applying little bit glue on rest of chains, you can just form your tail. And the last thing which you are going to do is you are going to sew your eye. I didn't do any knot or anything, as I think it's going to be visible if you make any knots at this point. So and I don't think it's going to be pulled out, just like so just do it as I did, and you will have nice clean edges after that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I again just cut it this out. This is our unicorn. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Give me a like. Thank you.